Okay, so today in today's class we are going to do one project, grade system project in Python. So in this project, first of all, there is a calculator program in this section who will calculate the grade of each and every student, creating a dictionary which consists of the student name, assignment, the test results and their respective lab result will be stored also. Okay, so there is first dictionary, that is Jack. This is key and this is value. So the key is name and the value is Jack Frost. Assignment, this is key and the values of these in the form of list. Test and lab, and this is the data of Jack. Clear? And second, this is similarly, this is the data of James. And then similarly, this is the data of Jack, Dylan, Jess and Tom. So we have five students, and this is the data of 5 students. Okay, so function that calculates the average. So this is the function which calculates the average. We are defining the function get average marks, which will sum up their marks and find the average of their marks. For example, it will give us the average marks of Jack, Jessica, Tom and all the 5 students. Function that calculate the total average. It means it will calculate the total average of all the students, that how much marks whole class have performed. So assignment, get average marks of assignment, test, get average marks of test and lab. So we will call this function 3 times, one for assignment, then for test and then for lab marks. Okay, and then it will return that result based on weightage supplied. जो भी weightage वो supply करेंगे उनके basis पे the result will be showed. So the result will be showed that 10% from the assignments, 70% of test and 20% from the lab works. And in return, how it will calculate: zero point 0.1 into the marks of assignment, 0.7%, zero point 0.7 into the test plus 0.2 of lab. So this will be the grade system. Okay, this is 0.1 because 10%, and we will 10 divided by 100, it becomes 0.1. That's how 70 divided by 100, 0.7, 20 divided by 100, 0.2. So this is the model for, this is the function for calculate the grade. If the score of the student is more than 90, then it will assign grade A. If less than 90 and more than 80, it will assign B and then C and then D. Otherwise it will assign grade E. Okay, so function to calculate the total average marks of the whole class. Now we are calculating the average marks of the whole class. So this is the function, and student list, the list of all those students will come into this, and result list equals to the for, if there is a loop student in student list, this will calculate from Jack to Tom. Okay, there is a loop which will run from the Jack to Tom. Average student marks, each and every marks of the student will be stored in student average, and the list is appeared and the list is prepared, and then it will return get average. It will return get average means the list of all the students, the list of all the average marks of the student will goes into this program. Okay, so the average, so the average will be calculated there, and then this is the student list, and then for loop, we are printing the for loop for print name I name, and calculate average marks of each and every student is calculated here, and the grade is given here, and then in the end the average marks for the whole class is printed there, and the grade to the whole class is printed here. So let me once run this program for you. So the program is Jack Frost. It means the marks, average marks of Jack is 72 and grade C. James Potter 75, grade C. Dylan 75, Jessica 48, E. Tom E. And the average marks of the class is 72 and the letter of the grade is C. So I hope you understand this project grade system. Okay.